Hey guys, what's going on? This is Darryl Addison at Torpedopot.com. Darryl Addison at Torpedopot.com, and we make self-growing planters, and that's what you're looking at. You're looking at self-growing planters that you simply drop your seeds in, or your plants in, or your bulbs in, and you simply walk away. They grow for you. Again, we do, just to let our clients know, we do a 3-12-12, but we don't use any synthetic fertilizers in any of our plants at all. So this is what it is. We're about to plant some onions. We have 3 types of onions. We're going to plant some, not just onions, but some zinnias also. But we have the 75 Dutch onion sets. We have the 75 Dutch onion, which is the yellow onion. And we have the red onion, of course. And we have the Dutch onion set of the white onion. So I'm going to show you how easy it is to put your seeds and your plants in a torpedo pot and literally just walk away. Onions, really, they need no care at all. So really all you do is open up your bags of onions, drop it in your torpedo pot, and guess what? It'll grow for you. These are self-growing planters. They're going to grow 75 onions in each one of these planters. I don't need to touch the ground. I don't need to turn it over. All it is, I went in, and to tell you the truth, I was growing some plants in these last year, and I got tired of them. I took them out, and I wanted to start something new, especially for the spring, and onions is a perfect job. So watch me as I walk through and show you how easy it is to plant your onions. I'm going to simply move this aside, take my onions, I'm going to pour it out. I'm going to spread them around. Oh, I forgot one last thing I've got to do to finish it off, and that is I'm going to cover it with soil. The planter's running right now, so it's already start distributing water. We changed the feeding stick inside of it, and that's it. That's my garden right there. So I'm expected to have from this 75 red onions inside of this one planter. 75 red onions, Dutch onions. Same thing with the white, and same thing with the yellow. All you do is take it, pull it out, dump your onions in. You don't have to work the ground like everybody else, okay? Don't worry about it. If you want to put your onions in and point them up, you can do that. You can do that. Anything you want to do, you can do. Right now, plants don't require you to grow. They know how to grow by themselves, and they do a very good job of it. So we're just going to fill this thing with soil. And that looks great. That looks really, really great. And just make sure it's thoroughly covered. And you know what I'm going to do now? Yeah, I'm going to walk away. I'm going to put this on a timer, and timer will start running these onions by themselves. Now, they don't require much water, so I'll probably put them on about 10 minutes a day until they get started, see what's going on. And that's it. And this whole section of plants will be watered for 10 minutes a day. Darryl Addison, Torpedopot.com. We're going to put the next of the onions in, and we're going to put some of the zinnias in. And don't they look beautiful, guys? Let's throw this next pack in and see what we can do here. Pull this out, dump this out. And these are onions. These are self-growing planters. They grow your food for you, so you don't have to do anything. I'm just going to dump my onions in, and you know what I'm going to do next, right? Guess. Right. I'm going to fill it up with soil. That's all. Fill it with soil. Darryl Addison, Torpedopot.com, where we make self-growing planters that grows your food for you with no human intervention. You no longer have to grow your food. These planters do a great job of it for you. Now, what is the purpose of me putting these onions in here? Well, the purpose of me putting these onions in here is that I will love onion tops. So I'm growing onion tops. And so that's what I'm doing. And they're so beautiful. Those beautiful onions are going now. Hopefully they'll give you some food in the future. Darryl Addison, Torpedopot.com. Talk to you guys later. Bye-bye.